105, Slovenian Air Force DC-9M, the Lancaster, Hurricane and 3 Spitfires for the Battle of Britain Memorial Site at 25 past 1, and then at about 10 to 2 we go into our US Air Force anniversary section. Load for our stand for. The Apache listing at the far right-hand end of the airfield.
Easy, huh?
And as the Apache gets ready to depart to the hold, George, we of course have Plains TV here filming for the DVD and Blu-ray of the show.
Yes, multi-layered activity going on. You'll see a number of cameras up and around the fly line, but also there are a lot of GoPros fitted in many of the superstar aircraft we've got here this weekend. And you can pre-order your DVD or Blu-ray right here at the show, either at the Plains TV stand or to any of the RIAT official merchandise outlets right around the showground. And if you order today, this features a lot of nostalgic action from the SR-71 Blackbird and many Spitfires and other warbirds. Just see the Apache getting airborne. That's going out to a hold, and that'll be displaying in a few moments' time.
6, friendly 300 meters northwest. Request 080 attack heading. Gunship copies game plan. Tag 3, bomb on target. Visual friendlies. Tally target tipping in Hellfire 080. Gunship, you are cleared hold. Cleared hold to gunship. Gunship rifle.
The request for fire has been answered. Announce your front, recruit complete, and attack run.
Gunship rifle.
Hellfire missile.
Gunship, good effect on target, re-attacking with rockets, danger close. AM 51, copy the re-attack. Danger close, cleared, rockets hot.
The pilots have identified further enemy elements and repositioned the aircraft in order to bring the 70mm rockets to bear on the target.
Die hebben gisteren ook niet gezien, dat is ook plek.
Oh, die hebben gezegd.
Ja, die zijn normaal beroep van, nu is die afgebroken.
Gunship, cleared hot, tipping in rockets. Gunship rifle.
On recovery from the diving fire profile, delivering a successful rocket strike, Jim reacts dynamically to avoid any ground fire, here conducting a 270-degree wing over. With a further enemy vehicle sighted, the pilot will use a 180-degree return to target wing over to rapidly reset back towards the flight. Explosive round.
Gunship, tipping in, missile to go. AM 51, roger, cleared off.
Converting speed to height, the pilot once again minimises the threat of ground fire, this time with a rapid climb and bunt. This makes tracking and predicting the aircraft's flight difficult for an enemy attempting to engage. The bunt sees the aircraft pitch from 90 degrees nose up to 90 degrees nose down at the highest point of the manoeuvre. After 3 successful strikes and with enemy vehicles burning, the pilot positions the aircraft in a high wheel, circling the target to allow the front seater to conduct a comprehensive battle damage assessment on the target. While Staff Sergeant Bowker scans with the cameras, Jim spots a remaining enemy soldier with a surface-to-air missile preparing to engage the aircraft.
Using the targeting topology projecting into his right eye through his helmet's monocle, Jim slaves the 30mm gun to his line of sight and can quickly engage the threat, decisively ending the contact.
Target pilot, helmet sight, 35 mic firing. Rockets and guns, all targets destroyed. Mayhem 5-1, copy, all targets destroyed. Enemy fire has ceased with no friendly casualties. Many thanks, end of mission.
When the threat eliminated and the friendly ground force is safe, Gunship has demonstrated the value of Apache close air support and the lethality of its precision strike weaponry, whilst also acting as a deterrent to future enemy action. Concluding today's tactical demonstration, Jim will now fly a short routine to display the Apache's impressive range and maneuverability. Establishing in the high harbour at approximately 800 feet operational experience. The aircraft has developed a fearsome reputation in Afghanistan, and it has been and will continue to be deployed in the maritime role, flying up the broad range of ships at sea. The Apache force is also currently supporting the Air Assault Transport, the special forces, with the aircraft's flexibility and firepower, critical manoeuvre elements to command armed the Longbow, or the Apache Guardian, will be fully integrated into the Queen Elizabeth class carriers, which provide a vital land and maritime strike capability. The Apache is all weapons fire off mounted on several Both the rockets and the missiles can engage targets out to ranges of 8 kilometers, while the powerful M230 30mm cannon mounted underneath the fuselage can fire high explosive rounds out to beyond 4 kilometers with a cyclic range of 600.
Not from here, I won't.
Ladies and gentlemen, the British Army Apache attack helicopter. That concludes today's demonstration of the Army Air Corps Apache helicopters. On behalf of the whole team, Major Traherne, Staff Sergeant Balka and Gunship will now perform the customary bow to thank you for your support. So please do give them a wave, put your hands together and show your appreciation for their efforts today. Ladies and gentlemen, your 2017 Attack Helicopter Display Team.
Yep.
To finish, I'd just like to remind you that you can visit us on social media for more team news and information on upcoming displays. Feel free to share your pictures of the day using the hashtag AHDT. It's always appreciated by the team and indeed other followers of the pages. You can find us by searching Facebook and Instagram with Attack Helicopter Display Team, or on Twitter at AHDT. If you'd like to meet today's pilots, they will be available after they land at the Apache static display, as I said, located just behind the P1. We wish you an enjoyable rest of your weekend, and as ever, we thank you for your ongoing support to the British Armed Forces.
And we thank Captain David Steer particularly for leading us through that fascinating display of the firepower of the remarkable Apache helicopter. And the little addition there that wasn't mentioned was that we are this year celebrating the 60th anniversary of the Army Air Corps as well. And that display on the static line is quite unique because it represents in